The cosmos, it seems, often has other plans. SpaceX's Crew 9 mission, a journey set to deliver astronauts to the International Space Station, found itself at the mercy of a force far closer to home, a hurricane. Hurricane Helene, a swirling tempest churning in the Atlantic, forced a delay, a postponement of humanity's dance among the stars. The launch, initially slated for a Thursday blastoff, was pushed back. Nature, it seemed, demanded a pause, a moment of respect for its own awe-inspiring power. Saturday arrived, and with it, a break in the storm. The skies cleared, a window of opportunity opened, and the Falcon 9 rocket, a gleaming spear poised to pierce the heavens, stood ready. The delay, a reminder of the delicate balance between human ambition and the raw power of the natural world. This mission, however, was unique, its choreography altered by unforeseen circumstances. Instead of the usual quartet of astronauts, Crew 9 would carry only two NASA's own Nick Hague and Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Gorbunov. Their task, a rescue mission of sorts. Aboard the International Space Station, two astronauts, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, found themselves stranded, their original ride home delayed. Hague and Gorbunov, the sole crew of this unusual mission, were their lifeline, their ticket back to Earth. The Falcon 9 rumbled, a deep-throated roar echoing across the Florida landscape. It ascended, a fiery arrow arcing skyward, carrying with it the hopes of a delayed return and the promise of a unique mission. Two astronauts, instead of the usual four, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of space exploration. The reason for this unusual crew manifest lay with Boeing's Starliner, a spacecraft designed to ferry astronauts to and from the ISS. Technical issues, those gremlins that plague even the most ambitious of engineering endeavors, had rendered the Starliner unsafe for its return journey. Williams and Wilmore, their stay aboard the ISS unexpectedly extended, found themselves reliant on SpaceX, NASA's sole provider for crew rotations. The Commercial Crew Program, a testament to the partnership between government and private enterprise, faced an unforeseen challenge. The delay of Starliner's return highlighted the inherent risks of space travel, a stark reminder that even with meticulous planning and cutting-edge technology, the cosmos can throw curveballs. The safety of astronauts, paramount in every mission, dictated a cautious approach, a necessary delay to ensure a safe return. Section 4. Dreams Deferred, the Heartbreak of a Crew Swap. The ripple effects of Starliner's delay extended beyond the confines of mission control. To accommodate the extended stay of Williams and Wilmore, a difficult decision had to be made, a crew swap. Stephanie Wilson and Zena Cardman, two astronauts originally slated to be part of Crew 9, were pulled from the mission. Their dreams of soaring amongst the stars, of experiencing the awe-inspiring wonders of space firsthand, were put on hold. Cardman's disappointment ran particularly deep. Crew 9 was to be her inaugural voyage into space, a culmination of years of rigorous training and unwavering dedication. To have that dream deferred to step aside for the safe return of her colleagues was a testament to her professionalism and the unwavering camaraderie of the astronaut corps. Section 5. Grace amidst disappointment, a commander's resilience. Despite the crushing blow of her postponed launch, Cardman exhibited remarkable grace. She relinquished her role as mission commander, a position earned through years of hard work and sacrifice, to Nick Hague. Her composure in the face of such profound disappointment spoke volumes about her character. Cardman's resilience, her ability to put the needs of the mission and the safety of her fellow astronauts above her own aspirations, marked her as a true leader. This crew swap, a heartbreaking necessity, underscored the human cost of space exploration. Behind the marvels of rocket launches and the thrill of discovery lie stories of sacrifice, of dreams deferred, and of the unwavering support astronauts have for one another. Section 6. Embracing the Cosmos, a story of adaptation and wonder. Meanwhile, high above Earth, orbiting aboard the International Space Station, Williams and Wilmore adapted to their extended stay. They embraced the unexpected, turning their unplanned extra time into an opportunity for further discovery. They continued their scientific experiments, conducted spacewalks, and marveled at the beauty of our planet from their unique vantage point. Their resilience, their ability to find purpose and wonder amidst the unexpected, served as an inspiration. The story of SpaceX Crew 9 is a testament to the unpredictable nature of space exploration. It is a story of delayed launches, of crew swaps, and of the unwavering spirit of those who dare to venture beyond our world. It is a story of adaptation, of resilience, and of the enduring human thirst for knowledge and adventure.